behind the camera just so you know.
I don't know if you're So, how are you?
Good.
We're driving to Mackay if anyone, wants to know what we're doing.
Oh, look, train tracks. Random.
Yeah, so good. Bloody train tracks. Ella hasn't got her train tracks yet.
Me neither. Apparently I'm getting them this year.
Yes, I thought you were getting them last year.
Well, when they had to wait for it to change the groceries.
I gotta wait till Holly gets hers off, and she gets them off around her formal.
What grade is Holly?
12.
I need that.
No, duh. No, she's having a formal, but she's only grade 12. That's how she rolls. What are we listening to?
It's Independent by Neo. Good song.
The random song. Angle shot. Dolly with the car. Dolly with the car. Leah. Extra close up. Close up. Long close up.
We can't really do wide shot because we're in a car. Wait.
Wide shot won't roll.
Say bye now.
Bye.